Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is a quick and easy Excel charts and graphs in under 3 minutes. So here's a quick guide on how to create a chart or graph in Excel in under 3 minutes. Now, first thing you're gonna do is open up your Excel on your computer. Then, as you can see here, I've already prepared the data that is arranged in a table format with columns, headings, that will help Excel recognize your data as a table. So you can see here, I have the months, and for this data, this is the additional subscriber, for example, for YouTube, or in any other things. But you can make your data on your own. So what you're gonna do is go to the Insert tab and the top menu, and here, you can see here the recommended charts. So you can select here any charts that you need. So for example, here in the clustered columns, you can see here that it is organized like this one. We have also here the clustered bar, and there is a line, so it will be tracked. And there is also like this, the stacked area. And we have also a pie like this. And it shows you the proportion of a whole. There is also a funnel that represents stages in a process showing progressively decreasing proportion. And a Pareto chart. It plots the distribution of the data in descending order of frequency. You can see here on the right side that there is a percentage. So for example, let's use this one, the clustered columns. So as you can see, you can change here the titles. And you can also change the colors. And you can just explore it the way you want. So that's the basic understanding of how you can create a chart or graph in Excel. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you can create more complex and detailed charts to help you visualize your data. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!